Educational Factory presents the I-Model, an integrated system for multiple sclerosis person with remote monitoring and training that involves health coaching techniques to engage the patients and increase effectiveness.
Hello everybody, my name is Giancarlo La Pietra and I am the founder of a startup company called Educational Factory. We provide innovation through research. We are focused on medicine and we use artificial intelligence and data science to create new services and products to enhance the better life of patients. One of our products is dedicated to multiple sclerosis. Let's take a brief look about this important disease thanks to the contribution of Prime Media Inc.
Multiple sclerosis, or MS, is a disease of the central nervous system, or CNS. The symptoms of MS will depend on the location of the plaques in the brain and spinal cord. One common symptom is difficulty walking. In studies done before the introduction of disease-modifying treatments, some problems with walking developed in about half of people with MS as the disease progressed. Many of these symptoms can occur in other neurological diseases and are not unique to MS. What distinguishes MS is that the symptoms come and go over time, or they may change in severity.
At the San Gerardo Hospital we have about 2,000 outpatients visits per year. We have about 500 patients affected by multiple sclerosis under treatment.
The main problem faced by physicians are the understanding of the evolution of the pathology for each patient and the response of each patient to the treatment which they are subjected. Through our multidisciplinary approach based on inertial sensor, we can support the physician in this delicate activity and allow a better efficiency of therapies, resulting in the increased patient of quality of life for patients themselves.
One of the major issues in the clinical management of multiple sclerosis patients is to identify the different subtypes of disease, be able to be objective in the clusterization of this population of patients. This might be important in terms of therapeutic approach, given the fact that we have so many new drugs available, and it's very likely that these drugs should be used in different kinds of subtypes of patients. Multiple sclerosis is a spectrum of different clinical subtypes, and even within the most frequent kind of disease, that is relapsing remitting form, we have patients with a very benign course and patients with a very severe course. So one of the major needs would be to be able to predict as soon as possible which will be the clinical course of each individual patient.
For a physiotherapist, it's very important to understand the evolution of the patient physical and cognitive response through the rehabilitation treatment. Remote monitoring helps us because we can see the patient without invite them to the hospital every day.
Cognitive impairment is a common clinical feature of multiple sclerosis at both earlier and later stage of disease. Multiple sclerosis has been shown to affect negatively various aspects of cognitive functions, including complex attention, memory speed of information processing, executive functions. Through our integrated ICT system, we are able to monitor the evolution of pathology, not only from motor point of view, but from cognitive point of view. Providing guided exercise, we can help patients to combat the effect of cognitive decay.
It is essential to involve the patient from an emotional point of view with the use of new technologies. No instrument, even the most sophisticated, is useful if there is no will and motivation from the patient to use it. Thanks to the strategic partnership with the Italian Health Coaching Association, which provides its team of more than 10 professionals, the project is innovative, not only technologically but also humanly. Within the project, we collaborate with Educational Factory to develop intervention models to push the patient to adhere better to the therapies and to have a mild relationship with the doctor. Through the patient engagement, we invite you to feel an active part of the therapeutic pathway, especially in front of chronic illness such as multiple sclerosis.
Educational Factory has developed a movement recognition system by lexical approach that can be used for assessment both in ambient intelligence and healthcare application to track and forecast critical situations like a fall or a deambulation impairment, to understand activities for neuropsychological reason and to assist patients affected by multiple sclerosis.
I'm Stefano Pinardi, CTO of Educational Factory and a researcher Using inertial sensor and wearable sensor, we are able to objectively measure movements and to use a technology that is more respectful of privacy and that can follow the person. With our technology, we are able to reach the 98% of accuracy on movement recognition.
From the business point of view, 2.5 million people worldwide are affected by MS. The cost for research will be over 25 billion. Biopharma companies are in need of technology that can reduce the cost of their clinical program. Educational Factory can support these companies thanks to its advanced data system.
With this video, I want to remind to all people that they never have to renounce to pursue their dreams, even if they are caught by difficult diseases.